Hey guys, it's Mariah here, and today I'm going to be making a video on how I got these beautiful waves on my old straight hair. When I did straighten my hair, I filmed it, so make sure to check that video out. Okay, so this is my old straight hair that I have, and I am just kind of sick of how frizzy it's been looking. I've been dancing every day, so it gets frizzy really quick. And also I straightened my hair on the lowest heat setting, so it's like very, it's not going to last that long. But anyways, I'm going to take some Flexi rods I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take my Curl Keeper Flexi brush. The bristles are very soft, so they don't rip out my hair or anything like that. And I take BioSilk Therapy, and I put that all over my hair. First, I think I put that through my hair, and then I'm going to brush it through. So just continue as you watch. My hair is tangled at this point. Like, you would think since my hair is straight it wouldn't be as tangled, but it gets tangled all the time. Silk Therapy prescribed that I put it on my scalp so my scalp doesn't get dry too. So I did that, and then I did finger detangled, and then I went in with my Curl Keeper brush. And my hair is very long, so it takes a little bit to do. So I just start rolling, but first I put it as close as I can to where my roots are, because the lower you start, the less the curl will stay. But the higher you start, the more the curl will stay, just because you're wrapping in the round so tight. So I just wrap it around and I tie it up. I did 7 in each section. And then the little front pieces, I did 3 going forward because I like my bangs flipped back. So yeah, section your hair how you want. This is how I section mine. I then wrap my hair with a scarf, and in the morning I take it off and I start. Can't you see how beautiful? I literally just did this overnight, and these curls lasted me a full day, and then I brushed them out and put them in a bun because that's usually my go-to. I don't know, I just love the way bun waves look on hair like this. So I did that, and I just took them all out really quick. Okay, so now that I'm done, I'm just flipping my head over and I'm separating some of the really chunky curls because I love my hair separated. I flip my hair back, and I am going to flip it over and shake my roots out again, so you'll see that in a minute. I put my hands in my roots, make sure I have Silk Therapy on my hands so I don't cause any more frizz than I already have. But I like my roots to look very thick, so I just shake it out because the curls were so tight and they're so placed in their sections. I just gotta really try and get rid of the distinct lines. So I just keep shaking my hair till I feel satisfied with it. But it looks so pretty. This is my ultimate favorite style to do. Originally I would leave it in for 3 days, but I have to, dance, so I want to look decent. I'm not gonna go into work with Flexi rods in my hair, or I'm not gonna go to dance with Flexi rods in my hair. So this is basically it, and it's kind of dark, so I'm gonna switch to a more lighter area in a second. But here it is. You see my highlights that I tried to get rid of. They look actually beautiful with this look. My hair looks gorgeous and actually longer than I thought, because when I used to do this a little bit ago, it would be a little bit at my bra strap, or a little bit lower than my bra strap. So it's definitely grown. I'm just really happy with the way this comes out, and this is one of my favorite things to do other than putting it up in a bun and releasing it in the morning. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button to show your love and support for my channel. And other than that, peace out, beautifuls. Mwah.